So do you see any other areas that will require investment for development for the managers through sort of 2021 and beyond?
It's going to be that integration, so data integration between all of the different providers. I'm already working on strategy with 22 of our clients where I sit as a CTO, looking at how the applications can be streamlined. You know, we have one PE firm, relatively small, about 4 billion AUM. They're sat in Lux and UK, so they're kind of used to working disparately, but they've got 17 different providers of software products. Where actually 4 of those providers can do everything all 17 can do. So there's like a simplification exercise to secure the data and centralise. And then from our perspective, we're building what we call the Power App Suite, which is it's Microsoft offer a Power Suite as well, which is about giving them the visibility to the data to make better decisions. We've extended it into sort of HR processes, remuneration, calculations, all of those kind of things, so people have got data on the go from an app. That's going to continue to grow. I think the other thing will be more of a focus around cybersecurity on behavioural analysis, something we've been doing for a couple of years, helping the HR teams get like proactive nudging, if that's the right word, for people who might be thinking about leaving the organisation, they start using files differently, that kind of thing. So I think those are the 2 areas that will be a focus of next year, definitely.
Okay, you mentioned there working as an outsourced CTO for some of RFA's clients. So it feels like outsourcing has sort of, I suppose, shown its true value through 2020 by the use of external subject matter experts. That's something as well that we would expect to continue through 2021?
I think more so. The fact that a lot of firms are just getting rid of their offices, they don't feel like they need it, whether that's long term or for 6 or 12 months. It means that the outsourcing model for C-level operations roles works well. You know, there's been, I think, 5 or 6 outsourced COO and CFO firms that have opened in the last 4 months. A lot of my clients who have, they're at that kind of emerging manager stage where they're doing a lot of fundraising. The COO is one of the roles that never really comes to the office unless they're really established. So I think that definitely. CTO role, I mean, it is definitely a role to outsource because it's not a full-time role. CIO role, obviously they need to be there and very ingrained. The CISO role, so Chief Information Security Officer, that's definitely something people want to outsource. I mean, you don't start recruiting for that role unless you've got way too much money or you're like 200 users plus or you've breached the 10 billion mark. So it will continue, definitely.